Sarah is an advertising executive. She lives in a 3-bedroomed house in Hampstead with her wife. Sometimes Sarah pays Emily to look after her daughter. Emily has an older brother called Ewan. When Ewan was a child, his ambition was to be a vet. He didn't get the necessary grades, in part because he was looking after his younger sister when their mother and sole caregiver was ill. Ewan works as a cleaner at the local hospital. He has his wages topped up by the government. Like a lot of cleaners, he's on a 0-hour contract. Sophia lives in the same block of flats as Ewan. Sophia and Ewan walk across town towards work. Sophia works in the local recycling plant. Every day they walk past the offices of George, a tax accountant who is Sarah's ex-husband. In many people's minds, the value of a job is reflected in its salary. Maybe we should look at contribution to society instead of salary. Let's look at the jobs in order of appearance. Advertising executive. For every £1 generated, they destroy £11 in value. It can encourage overspending and thus debt. It can encourage overconsumption, thus problems for society and the environment. Childcare. For every £1 they're paid, they generate between £7 and £9.50 worth of benefits to society. They allow parents to continue working and they aid in the child's learning. Hospital cleaners. For every £1 they're paid, they generate around £10 in social value. One of the ways they make a contribution is by reducing the risk of infections. The recycling plant worker. For every £1 paid to recycling plant workers, £12 is generated. This is due to reduced carbon emissions and the value of reusing goods. The tax accountant. They destroy £47 in value for every £1 they generate. They have a negative effect in terms of societal value because they allow companies and individuals to avoid tax.